In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google account in Brave browser. Adding your Google account to Brave allows you to access important Google services more easily, including Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Photos, and many other features connected to your account. It also helps keep your browsing experience more convenient by allowing you to sign in across different Google websites without needing to enter your details repeatedly. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully loaded, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. Depending on your current setup, this icon may appear as a generic profile image or as a user avatar if another account is already connected. After clicking the profile icon, look for the option that allows you to add or sign in to an account. Select it to continue. Brave may then redirect you to a Google sign-in page where you can connect your Google account directly through the browser. On the sign-in page, enter your Google email address and continue to the next step. After that, type your password carefully and proceed with the logging process. Make sure you are entering the correct account information so the sign-in process can be completed successfully. If your Google account has two-step verification enabled, you may also be asked to confirm your identity using a verification code, mobile prompt, or another security method connected to your account. Complete the verification process to continue safely. Once the sign-in is successful, your Google account will be connected inside the Brave browser. You may notice that Google services automatically recognize your account whenever you visit websites such as Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, or Google Drive. Depending on your browser settings, Brave may also ask whether you want to enable synchronization features. This can help keep bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other browser data synced across multiple devices where you use Brave. You can choose the option that best matches your preferences. After everything is set up, you can start using your Google account directly within Brave without needing to repeatedly log in to Google services every time you browse. And that's all you need to do to add a Google account in Brave browser. The process is quick, simple, and only takes a few minutes to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.